Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing fabulous today, and if you are new over here, welcome to the Tripletntomra family. Thanks for stopping by. Live every moment, laugh every day, love beyond words, make it happen. Let's get right in today's video. Here I have the Bragg organic apple cider vinegar, and what I'm doing here is to shake the vinegar before, because it has some sediments under the bottom, like it's settled, and so I'm going to use a tablespoon of the vinegar, and I'm going to add some water to it and bring it up to about 3/4 bottles. The water that I'm using is bottled water. I'm not using the water from the pipe. Vinegar have several benefits for your hair, but a few: help cleaning the hair of a product and oil buildup, restore shine and protecting color, adding value, relieving itch and dandruff, encouraging hair growth. What I'm doing now is to use a white tooth comb, pull the hair out, and then I'm going to use the apple cider vinegar to spray on the hair, and I'm going to spray from the hen, go straight up to the root, massage the spray on the scalp so that the hair can absorb it, and then I'm going to comb through. So guys, this is my first time using apple cider vinegar, so I just do my research and it tells me what it can do for your hair. If you have used apple cider vinegar before, you can link it down in the comment section and let me know how it works for your hair. So guys, this hair haven't combed out for a few months now, about 9 months, because it was braided, and as you can see, the comb is going through with ease. So what I did is to allow her hair to sit under the steam cap for 15 minutes. Now I'm going to go through with the wash. So the shampoo that I'll be using is the Mielle Rosemary Mint Strengthening Shampoo. This is my rice water aloe vera deep conditioner, and if you'd like to see how I made this deep conditioner, you can go ahead and check out my recent upload video. So what I'm doing here is to put the hair in section. When you work in section, it is better for you. It is easier to detangle, so you know it's best to work in sections. So what I'm doing here is to apply this conditioner to the hair, and I'm putting it from the root and work my way down to the ends of the hair, and I'm going to use this brush to detangle. Guys, look at this. Look how this conditioner allows the hair to feel so soft and manageable. The brush is just gliding through, it's just working its way through the hair. This conditioner makes your hair so soft and manageable. So family, if you are liking this video so far, please give this video a big thumbs up. If you are new over here, remember to subscribe, hit that notification bell so you never miss another video. So guys, I'm going to let her sit under the dryer for about 30 minutes and then rinse out. I'll see you on the other side. So I'll be using the Pure Hair Solution product, Neatbraid Conditioning Shining Gel, and the 0.5 Instant Lock Double Needle. So guys, it's the first time I'm going to do an instant lock. I've done other locks before, but not instant lock. So please place your comment in the comment section if you like it or not, and if what I should have done different, and if you have any ideas. So next time I'm going to do it again, then you know I know what to do. So please comment. And I'm also going to do a 2-strand twist after finishing the lock. So guys, as you can see here, we have come to the end of this vlog. I hope you had enjoyed. Thanks for watching. Remember to like, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you never miss another video. Walk with the King and be a blessing. Love you guys so much and thank you for your support. Bye.